Some people, me have a couple live where me I go share with you. See, the first one me I go share with you are with Ivany. See, so the whole thing was going in the media space, with Ivany. Ivany, this her mother-in-law, you see me, mother, and said the woman have the big A, and she go on with herself, you see me, and people are say she a do it for a reason. You see me, I say people are say a stunt she a pull off, and on a level, me I really pray what the people them a say, you see me, because she jump on the live and she a go hard, cuss up one woman and them something there. So people a say, boy, she a do it because the people them find out say she not respect them. Like the people them where I give her find out say she not respect them. So she a do this now for people feel sorry for her, like she kinda use the baby in her way for people continue to give her or whatever. Me don't know if I true, want to tell me what I think. You see me? Because the other day she put out a video on her live, no, on her thing there, on her TikTok, and basically she kinda style the gifters them. Me say another video there, cause me post a video about that. And me say another video there, if she have a problem with one specific person, she should have come out and say it more than for just come out and speak in general. It look like say she had this everybody. You see me? So it look like say she maybe find a different source of income and kinda SHIT upon the people them we used to give her. But we are gonna talk about that. I'm want to tell me what I think, you know what I mean? And the next thing I want to share with you is Kitty. That's why I say I don't know Kitty situation. Kitty did a data man and thing, and you know what I mean, them have plans and all these things, and him take her car and cut. You see me, she said she have forward back at Jamaica after she have her youth. You see it. So last night she did on live and she showed the baby father. I go share that with you. You see me, she show him for the first time. You know what I mean? And then you know my people, Afta, Swiss Lee, and our next youth, Ivany, buck up on the live. Swiss Lee buck up in a Ivany for the first time in months. Or you would say a year or year and a half. You see me, because Swiss Lee not talk to her. And she kind of been like, you know what I mean, I try to talk to, like, have a good name with Sicily in a way, because she talk good about him this minute, then she talk bad about him. I don't know, say Sicily don't like the drama. So what Sicily do upon the live people, why, I gotta tell you now when he reach to Deso. You see me? And Queenie and Dewey, you know, say Queenie and Dewey are hot topic right now, so we have to share the thing them as them job. You see it? So Queenie, she talk about like how our kids them feel because she and Dewey gone back together. And you know how Queenie stay. Queenie no really I go put nobody over Dewey. You understand me? So we are going to jump in it, and the first thing we are going to jump in Ivany, because she and the people them clash pandan live. So that we are going to jump in for some. I want to tell me what I think, people. Is it? So I could jump in that one, yeah.
Them forget the child and Vani, which day Vani forget the child. I don't see nothing wrong with that.
You know, the judge was supposed to decide which day if you go pick up the child from school.
Somebody come
You know,
tell me
I
say
forgot.
take me
Listen,
pick,
my
the judge have to
sister,
decide.
and that's why. Look, I know, and
Enough
that's
of that
why.
person who never been
Well,
there
I know.
before. If you come tell me say
my
you take
sister,
me pick,
he
the
can't
court
take
will
it
say.
in fan Georgia. He can't take it in fan Georgia. He
Vani
cannot
say
do it. And he
that.
can't kidnap. You know, kidnapping? You know, kidnapping?
Nobody can get the girl pick me unless the court say.
Eh, we not add Vani for
You know, kidnapping? You know, kidnapping? Our? You know, say, well, most show you something. You know, say, me and my baby mother, we live good today, right?
Here
And
then.
none of we not have, I look at and none of we not have custody, legal custody over nobody, because we not go through the court, right? I'm a record my name on him birth certificate, right? And the mother can't go pick up the pitney today, but me pick up the pitney. Right? And have a pitney overnight, and the mother say want the pitney, and I say I didn't go stay for the night. The mother can call. The mother can call the police and get me arrested for kidnapping, and the vice versa for the mother too. Trust me.
Me I go tell you this. No give no man your baby so till the court make a decision.
It's enough for them people.
I don't need to stop it.
It's enough for them people, yeah. Them are influence her to do some things, and then, you know what I mean, she's a person, a big girl, who can make decision of her own. She can listen with everybody and say, do what good for you and what right for the picnic. Simple.
Me been there. Don't take when me pick 2 weeks. No give no man your baby till the court decide that. Okay.
Next topic. Alright, wait, me.
If you don't say good man or no, say nothing, man. Stop here, only 2 people them. No, stop it.
That's
that you want. No, me no mind them blood clot married, because them are the perfect couple.
Married, no,
This is
sir.
with them.
No, sir. When I feel so, them just co-parent and do them
But
thing.
everybody love when Owe and Barney they were baby there. If everybody like the idea to see Owe and the baby and then post
Dan.
watch Owe and the baby watch. So why people don't want
Dan.
to see him round the baby?
Dan.
I don't know.
Dan.
Who are them around the baby? You know why
Dan.
them
Dan, listen to Dan. I know
Yeah,
for me live, you know, but me ask if we could add Ivan, because we can't hear her what she has said. Just add her, man. She has to be add her.
I Barney don't like me, no, so she
It no matter. I know everybody like you.
It no matter that.
Up here already.
Adar Dan, it no matter if somebody like you or somebody like you. Adar, come down.
This is a farm. Just Ada.
Yeah, come
Everybody
down,
have
sir.
a
You would have to come down for she come on, because that's 6 people.
Yeah, let me come down.
When this done, we can't talk about Queenie and Dewey, because I don't need you.
Yeah, that topic,
long time,
people.
only make my point. And me Poochie say,
Is this book? Because I
me
don't know how to
Poochie say, Varney don't give nobody your pitney till the court decide. Here, nobody get your pitney. Who not like you go jump off a cliff. Nobody get your pitney till the court decide. Oh.
Me a talk about her behavior.
And a business about Varney behavior as long as it makes you get hurt.
That just let me want to
What me want her to keep. But me not support her behavior.
You need a moderator, big man thing. You like a move fast. Yes, because I 6
I finally say she send you a request.
Well, and she a look.
Visitation.
For a level, my people, me can't tell a person like how to live them life and what to do. You see me? But if them can't, because the two of them not take tea. You see me? So just have some type of thing set up, some structured thing set up where the father can see the picnic. And he need to play some part in the youth life. But as I say, Ivan is a hard person to deal with my people. You understand? Because she will say one thing now and then afterwards a different thing. Him we maybe buy the things them for her and send it to her and she dash them away for spite him. You know what I mean? But nothing beat a try. So if you try do it, like try buy some things for the baby and send it to her and see what we go on. And then maybe she will come around a little bit and make him see the youth. So could hear some more.
You want the court, but her behavior she needs to tone down now. She needs to stop and listen to people who really care for her. Some people who really there in her corner. What if somebody even said to her birthday, you was upset over that? Huh?
If you make me one moderator, me can send her one request.
Wait, let me see something. Wait.
Shante, long mouth thinking pussy girl. Let me tell you this.
Hear them.
Let me tell you this.
Okay, girl, bye.
Hear them.
Girl, bye.
Girl, bye. Girl, bye. Girl, bye. You want enough up in a young people business.
Father.
All
I'm
long
going
time
to worry
woman,
about
girl.
I'm
Come
going to
out of young
your
people business.
mother-in-law.
Come out
Goodbye.
of me, I'm a boy your father business. Me don't know you, him don't know you. Me look like you want to be young again. Come out of hot girl thing. And first, me did one knee and the on the life, that body man. First thing, let me show you how that man they done. You cannot kidnap somebody that live with you. I'm teaching you something. Me have full custody of my child, no, because I'm the mother of the child and me in live with, no. Until we carry me go to court and me and him in a courthouse, the judge says wise. I have full custody of this child right now because I'm me the child live with. If me want to carry the baby go New York, Jamaica, anywhere me want to send him for go, me can send him for go. Why? Because the father name is on the birth paper.
That's true,
me can't
that's true.
kidnap somebody
True
that
that.
live with me. Me have all control over my pitney and me live with. So me can't kidnap somebody who live with me. Right now, me have full custody. Always has no custody at all to my child. If he come at me gate and me call police on him, he have to leave and he can't leave with my pitney. He can't
That
tell
true.
police say he come to see pitney and he want to see pitney. They won't tell him to go through the courthouse and wait for a court date. When me and him go in front of the court date now, in front of the judge, then the judge can make firm decision whether the baby stay with me, whether we take him or whether it's share custody. You not going like so you know a bumbuckler, you know a judge. And the judge have the final say, cause all will not talk, the judge can say no what, give Ivany full custody or shared custody. Go and read up the laws in John. You see my attorney.
Blood clot, hear people go and read up the law. Ivany turn lawyer. You see me? Ivany have a lawyer still, you know, so she consult her lawyer with any little thing. It look like so she have a lawyer upon retention, my people. Me not lie. You know what I mean? Like she have a retainer lawyer with any little thing. You see me? But me don't feel like so she have him upon retainer still because that a money. Me don't know. Anything possible.
Go not talk, the judge can say no what, give Ivany full custody or shared custody. Go and read up the laws in John. You see my attorney, well, for family court, are one of the biggest attorney in Atlanta. You see my Taps and Roses money, me put that to use. And when it come to my son, me put that to extra use. I'm not going to waste money and not take my money and put it for my son. I pay for my good attorney. Me have my lawyer from live up at the first house, I pay my lawyer. And my lawyer make him know, say, listen, you can get shared custody, but never full custody. Mothers are always number one to full custody in Georgia, in the state of Atlanta. Go and take out your phone, go on Google. Call any attorney. Everybody's supposed to have a lawyer. Call the lawyer and ask them. No father not really have full custody in a Georgia. So when the man come tell me about me a kidnap pitney, and me if I kidnap somebody, if a pitney they live with Owie, and Owie send the pitney in my yard and me take a pitney in a can, but that is kidnapping. But you can't kidnap somebody that live with me. And for everybody we are talking about my kitchen, I saw one guy quote us go tell life on people. Yesterday I wasn't frying anything. If you can show me a video where me I fry something, prove me wrong.
You that win in a
me
court.
bake chicken. Bake me a bake chicken, and the chicken when me a bake, the chicken not have no oil, the chicken not have no up on it. The chicken was actually on a grill. The chicken up on a grill, and see spoon now when me have, this me have. There is no oil for burn up ice. And this me have. See it here? This the chicken the pan. This is what the chicken the pan. See that? This is what the barbecue chicken the pan. And I saw it steak. And me comes and hold my baby and with one, and there's no way, no aisle or nothing could that touch him. I want to understand court case.
Ivany,
Me not harm my baby. No judge no care about what you did do before baby born or what you did do before the baby did die. Judge want to make sure no say the baby not do the baby since the baby born.
True that.
Me no chop my baby, no cry no dip on him, me no lick him, he no hungry, he no one good environment, me no smoke around him. The only thing we do is cuss, and a judge cannot take away your child if you cuss around a child, because that is a natural thing.
No man, Ivany could have turned one lawyer, man. Ivany come with a strong case, you know, people. Yeah, man. Everything what she say a reality. You see it? Yeah, man. She could have turned one lawyer. She come with a very strong case. You see me? So I could listen some more.
A world when I cuss around them pitney. Show me who perfect. When I cuss around them pitney, that don't all the judge themselves. We have a little argument around them pitney. If a CPS can take up my case and look through it and she say me is a fit mother for my child, and she see everything for me, that she see the argument between me and Owie, she see everything, and if a CPS can close my case, how the fuck Owie going to care that they case they go in front of judge. The same case where CPS have, it shall go send over to the judge. And if CPS can close my case, what the rest you think a judge go and say otherwise, say miss unfit. With the documents and everything what CPS go and present to the court.
No,
No
man, a
can
liar.
go on, you can't get my pitney. Me no want how he roll me. Yesterday he mature bare shades. When me not answer, me just make a look at video. Nobody never see when he mature shades. But today when me feel for answer now, oh, Ivany wrong on the media. But yesterday when he mature in shade, everybody there over there laugh. But when me answer now today, it's a problem. When his mother text me, no one reach out to me, but she never did want to reach out to me the 9 months when me a breed. But now that the baby born, I want to say the baby favor the father, I want to just can't help it, but want for the run the baby now. You want offer me help, and because me don't want the help, it's a problem. If me name go on like a show message, the other ear said the woman text me and me a try hide something. But now that me show a message, oh me a look at clout and me a look this. So me wrong for tell the woman say me don't want to help from her. Me don't want to help from her if me can go through 9 months by myself. And the baby born and the baby fat and chubby. Alright, me can go couple more.
Yourself and talk about the baby for once, Vani. It's not, this is not about you.
People, Ivany come with a strong case. You see me I say? So if I quote them today, she could have win with everything what she said just now. You understand? Because him wrong not to play a part in the youth life. You know, in our pregnancy, not in our youth life, in our pregnancy. See, him could have do certain things while she pregnant. But then again, we have to really know, see, Ivany, we are talk about, and Ivany is cunning. She's very cunning, and she's very mischievous. You understand? And she will create problem out of nothing. People say she do this thing to keep the people a viewer and give her. You see me I said this time she hot, next time she cold. So you can't really study her. Me feel like say if Owie could have studied Ivany, because remember you know people, Owie never come at first, come try this or in anywhere or anything like that. Everything start over the chicken in people. When him eating right, that's how the problem start, you know. And people in America, chicken is very, very cheap. Me I tell you, chicken cheaper than Jamaica by far. And anybody who live in America can attest to that. Say chicken cheap. Chicken come like, you say chicken America coming like chicken back at Jamaica. Although we know say chicken back there at Jamaica now. But chicken America coming like chicken back. And that are the meat where you can go buy, maybe the cheapest meat you can go buy. But chicken cheap. Remember you know, you are going in a Jamaica, I think a £350 of chicken. Right? And check up how much US that is. If you are going to buy one whole chicken, it's going to be like maybe 4 pounds or so. See, put that together and see how much it is. You at least I go pay maybe $10 or so for your chicken. And in America, you can get all that chicken for all, maybe even $7. Me, see with me 2 eye them chicken in America for $3 add. Me I tell you that. Me see with me 2 eye them chicken for $3 add. So me I sure wanna say chicken cheaper America than so that I never nothing for in our argument, but I'll do the principle that counts. You understand? So make you watch some more.
My business upon social media, you know, everybody are gonna say my business is not for them. My business upon social media, but you don't have to take up my business. You can't see somebody's business and walk past it. So when you go take up my business for your head, make it look like me related to you. If you did find too much time for no family member, it would be so bad. When me know have one and two family member in the family where would want to push out too much effort for them. When I push you out for a stranger. In my business like you know a third year. Then I put down in my bamboo clock business to woman. Then in my business you come talk.
Oh, you want money to pay your rent now.
What may be up on the media have to do with you, be my.
Hey people, this renting here with Ivany, I don't feel like a true, because people been saying that, and me kind of look into it, and me I say, yo, the other day, she did in a problem, like, when she come out and this the gift of them, she did in a problem. You understand, like, the people, them kind of wise up and I say, no, man, oh, we are really and this and that. So, it look like, say, she come build this, you know, fi kind of get back the people them on her side, like, get people fi sorry for her, fi see, say, boy, you know, say, she alone and the baby and nobody na help and this and that, so, wanna come and help me with the youth. You know what I mean? Me I wonder if she but people, Ivany is a person where you can't really study still, you know, but me really a pray if say boy she really a do this because the people them kinda like them a look upon her away when she do the video about them little taps and roses now do nothing for her. You know what I mean? Shut your mouth, you're talking SHIT. Your taps and roses now feed me. You know what I mean? So at that me I pray if this is something where she come do forget about the people them on her side. Because remember you know people, she said she nah give Owie nor the next girl no time of day, you know. She nah give them no time of day. She done with them. She nah make them get no more followers, nothing like that. So what happened now? Owie been a do everything where she said him a do, you know. Like him been a throw shades, him been a post long time before now. What changed now? That me I wonder. Because him been a post up things and a shade her and them something there, and she said she would have never respond to him. When the mother call her, that more know. When did the mother call? She have a conversation with the mother because and recently why she choose now to come show the conversation and play the voice note and them something. Why she choose now to bring down the mother or Owie? Why no? And she said she not give them no time a day. Them have to send papers for she go court. Then she, you know what I mean, go court about the baby. So she not mention them none at all. What changed now? It look like say something a go on. It look like say she kind of realize what she do. What she this the gift as them both. And now she a try get back her support. Me no know, no tell me. That I just when me a pray. You know what I mean? Me can be wrong. But me know what I think.
I'm not nothing to you. So my behavior should affect you. Yes, you can speak on it, but the way you talk, like you want everybody to say, oh, I blame on the right or whatever. Everybody a big woman. But do what me I do over here, so you do what you do over there, so. And as me say, I would dance and me say it again. Not because you raise for your pitney that way that you need to come tell me if you raise to me pitney that way that make me know a mistake for myself. Make if me know say if me put on this pan him that I go happen. Make it happen so me can say, you know what, me not gonna do it again because that make me learn
No,
from my own and
no,
that me
no,
basically
no,
I tell
no,
them
no,
because
no.
at the end of the day
Best
they don't like
people
me.
them
But when it
who
come
learn
on to
from
eyes,
other
you want
people
tell me what to do.
mistake.
No, keep the same energy, bro. I'm gonna like if you no come on, me not talk down, but they must go suck your mother big pussy girl.
But you know say Ivany this down already people and Dan never do him nothing. Yeah man,
Let
Ivany
me
this
say
down man,
something.
but me
Like
not
what
get
she
into that.
said, I totally agree with her. But as she's gonna see as she could please. And a lot of people think because she posts herself on the social media,
That
it
was a
opens
waste
a
of
room for
my
people to
time.
judge. But it,
So bad that
If she want me, you know, me realize she a go talk herself, her mouth a go make she
know the
lose her
truth.
pitney.
She want
I
it
know
so
nobody a
bad.
go make you
She
lose your pitney.
drowned
And
in
your
her
mouth, little
vomit.
girl, your
She want
mouth,
it
your
so
chat and your
bad
chatting
that she use
shit.
the baby for waiting them there. I mean, I see what Shantae do for she come and
Shit.
go on, so everybody a talk. You put your
No,
business
make she
on
go and
internet, people
feel
go and
weird.
talk.
Me tell her something,
That a
Vani. No
true.
one never trick me, fuck me, and no give me what me need. Yeah, are you there look papers and on me? You can't combo me, girl. You are talk. She look how she fool. Look how she fool, Bima. Voila, look how she fool. She said she never did a fry nothing. Voila, she said she not fry nothing, Bima. She not fry nothing, but she over the oven. She just admit,
the
she just
oven is a
admit
risk.
on live. So she was
Yeah.
That's what I
over
want
the
to
hot
address.
oven
The
with the
heat.
child.
That's
In
what
the
God.
sun.
You know the day when you do
Look
the
how you
puffy and you
fool.
have him nice.
Look how you fool,
And the people
mama.
them a tell us for Friday sitting. You
Mama,
too
mama
damn
come
lie.
on internet, go
Everyone's
admit say she
arguing.
have the baby over the hot oven.
Exactly. I want to say something, Dawg.
That mess up
Let me
still
tell
not
you.
people.
I want to say
Sick.
something.
You just open your mouth. You she said she don't want nobody talk about her. Mama, every day you turn on your life, it tops and roses, a beg money. Your life, have to talk about. Every day you have to.
Well, people, you are going. She must did a bake or barbecue, whatever. Seeing she have the baby strap on her, on the front of her stomach. Seeing she have one hand in the oven, the hot oven, because she had do her thing. Have one hand in the oven, the way she do, and have one hand hold the baby. You see me? Anything could have happened still in people. That risk is still in. You know what I mean? Because anything could have happened. She could have did this and look her slip or anything, and she have to let him go and let go whatever she had in the oven and him slide in it. So anything could have gone, but as she said, she have to learn from her mistake them. So she not gonna really listen to nobody what them a say. So it better it happen and then she know say not to do it again. But she can't live that way there. She have to listen what people I say, because enough of the people them some of the time I tell her they right, but some of the time still them people you want you do too much things their way. So maybe me feel like that's why she a block them out. But I don't tell me what you think in the comment.
Living. And I tell you make money.
You never enough to show it. Until you want people to talk about you.
Let me tell us, Vani, me not cuss me, I show you something. Vani, if you don't turn on your phone month end between the 25th to the 31st, you don't know where your rent money come from, mama. You have to make up story. You have to come and go on and post up mother-in-law if you make your money, if you make ice eat.
Give me pound of the talk, Shante. Give me pound of the talk, Shante.
Yeah, talk about over underneath big. Barney, your man say your front big pan live when I get move a blood clot. Girl, go sit down.
Yeah, no, me say, make the court decide for the baby. And Barney is very light. Barney is very light. It's very manipulative. Alright, the mother-in-law text you. We pass social media though, I feel know say the mother-in-law text you. But you know say it come to the end of the month. You start your one start.
Your rent due. Your rent was due. Me hope you make it, because at the end of the day, I don't know who else you have up your call. Because the people them where you out there say you pay for your bills, you run them, you run the man, you run down to your mother, you run past social media.
And say she not busy the two of them, because as by a queen they will see them back again. Me I tell you, it look like a talk for them.
She say, she not go get it. She say, our lawyer say him can't get split custody. Then she come and say he not get shit. Okay, you go see.
Yes, sir, I tell you no. I say me I tell you, Ivany, we say one
thing. You
gonna
shock me to say two of them go back together. You gonna shock me.
Let me show you.
I don't think them are gonna go back together.
You want share the rights with Barney with the child. Because him say want the baby in a female life and fear life. But what kill Barney? How we cocky she want? It a mother. It a girl sleepless night. Oh we cocky a mother.
Oh she want? She no want nothing but the boy. That's all up on her mind. The man.
That
is why she can't. That is why she can't get over Karina.
She can't need on the media. She don't need some sitting and behind closed door. She texting and say me love you. She Van is sick.
Yeah, I know. So you know that episode of people with she and Sheba son, because a bunch of things go on with them in my people. You see me I say she carried on Sheba, Sheba have to get herself involved in it, So I tell you say Ivany manipulative. You see me I say she's a manipulator. You see me? But yo, you have to do what you have to do, yeah, man. And I say me I bring down her, but upon a level people, you say if a person not show you certain things, you can't have that opinion there upon the person. And nothing when me say, I know nothing when me make up. Are things where happen. You understand? So a fear youth at the end of the day. The youth in a fear name. You see me I say, me know say she not go do nothing at all for hurt that youth there. You see me? So with she and our situation with the custody and everything, me not really care about that. You see me? Because him kind of mess up himself. And she kind of also play a part in a him messing up. You understand? That me have to say about that. So, between the custody battle and who fi get him or whatever, I feel like say she fi involve him in the youth life. You understand? Little bit, because obviously more and in the youth life. And if she make him start see the youth and them thing, then I feel like saying we come around and do things for the youth, but she have to stop the hot and cold business. This time she hot, this time she cold. You can't study her. You know what I mean? As them say, how she want and whatever, why she use the baby to spite him. I don't feel like she should do that. Everybody need their mother and father. You know what I mean? So make we listen some more.
I see her mouth I go.
She had the counseling now, so maybe the counseling will help her because she's doing counseling now, you know?
Ivany now do no counseling.
Let me just say this, ladies.
Ivany now do no counseling. Would I hear that
Honestly,
already?
believe that we want co-parent, but Vani probably not.
You know, here she said we not getting the child. As if she have a choice. As if
The
when you
fact
reach
that-
a court, she have a choice to pick and choose.
The fact that we never
She never said she didn't bring her to court. She didn't bring her to court. She never said she gonna refuse what the court do. When the court tell her to do whatever, she will do it. She never said she's not going to do
Me
it.
tell her no something. Me tell her
And she
something.
will
Can
do
no
it,
found
you know,
no
she
no.
will
I know
refuse,
only
you know.
how we are talk about court case. The baby mother post up about being at court about her because Vanny keep on harassing the girl. And the fan don't fucking know that kind of don't follow her.
Yeah,
So no follow up Vanny. A court case, the whole of them are built against her.
Every day.
Vanny not do this, girl. Nothing. Innocent neither. She not harass no girl. The girl not
Listen
innocent.
to me.
Hear them a
The girl,
people, you know.
That
Hear
girl
them
not
a know.
innocent
Hear
neither.
them a
remember
know.
said the girl was in our yard when Vanny they talk about she out to do and who she a go beat. And the same Jamaican them what they boost Vanny are sending things to the girl. When Vanny post says she a go do this and that, who you think they go tell the girl? A Jamaicans a go over they go show the screenshot them. You think you can follow Jamaican people? All of them were in the live, yeah, so. And go back and forth between the two girls.
Me nah use Karina. Me a talk about Heist, Papa Heist. Me a talk about. Me young one know me want the best to him. Me no care about Vanya. Me no care about Owen. Me just want the best to Papa Heist.
She don't want the father of the pitney. She don't want the granny of the pitney. And at the same time, she want Cam. And me say, no shall see. Me never chick or a child for worry about, you know, so no good.
My family over here too, you know. Even though she and her sister them baby no close, but remember so she have family here too and her mother have a visa. It's not like her.
People, alright. You see, I'm going to just say something here, so. Because, you see, when people talk the real truth about the type of person Ivany is, you have some people who come in and I say, yo, why you say this and why you say that? I just the truth, you know what I mean? You have to talk off of what you know. We want to give her our props and we want to say, yo, do your thing, mama. You know what I mean? We care about the youth, so the youth alright, you know what I mean? We don't have nothing against the baby. We want the best for the baby. But Ivany, I kind of the roadblock, you know, because if people could have said and take her word for what she said, like say, okay, alright. She said she are going to do this and we say, okay, she will do it. We know say as a person where we change and do something different and say something different. You know what I mean? And me I wonder if she do it for the views and them something there. But, yo, enough of this, my people. Me just want to tell more what you think in the comment section. And yo, don't bash me in the comment, please and thanks. Because guess what? I wish she show me talk about. You know what I mean? Not like say boy, we don't know say how she stay. We can't overlook how she stay. Remember, you know, you say you start, you know. Remember Neil. You say me, I say, remember that you there how she deal with him and do him. You know what I mean? And I know him alone. You see me? So we just have to remember say the same person there and the person there not change. You see it? So here we go on, you know. We're gonna lift up from over here so and get enough of this. And we are going here where Queenie are going with. Then we go over to the thing with Swiss and Ivany. Then we go to Kitty and her man. So, make we hear what Queenie have to say to people.
Give me a light. Move on a dirty blood clot. Reconcile on a dirty blood clot. But now come threaten me. When you not threaten me, you know how I feel. That kids them can't blood clot hate me. Them have to love me for my decision. Cause I'm real. Move on a blood clot. Someone know that I than a fuck same way. Forget ratings. Move on a blood clot to the affiliate blood clot. Me if you don't rate me today. On the affiliate me to blood clot morning. Fuck on I feel like. Me I live for blood clot pitney. Eh? What the fuck on I feel? Me not live for my kids them cause every blood clot thing surround is about my kids them. I live for them for true. When me about my blood clot business and them I do me. Them I do them, me I do me. Move on a blood clot. Better me did hide. I saw me sure the son of fuck like blood clot dog. That's why me is a perfect blood clot example for the whole of you. Me now hide on blood clot style for myself for impressing and make you happy. I line on blood clot tell. Stop that behavior. I wish behavior me for stop, baby. Move on a blood clot, husband and husband, wife and wife. You be clown for your husband and you be clown for your blood clot wife. I think go far better for worse. Move on a dirty blood clot. You don't want to deny me my blood clot signature and think. I saw me for treat my fans them same way. All of the fans them when I appreciate me come suck me with 19 blood clot straw. Me said every blood clot example. Me a dads, the Queen of Rain. Move on a blood clot. So when you not hate me right, you have to love me the other blood clot side. Go. Go. You can't accept my blood clot happiness. I make my pussy click jump. And that me I talk about. Me have car, me have house, me have blood clot fame, but my pussy not blood clot operator. My own husband alone can operate my pussy.
Heavy equipment. Heavy equipment. Watch your people. Watch your style. Watch your style.
How you do that now?
Watch your style.
And that me miss.
Lovely stuff, man.
Yeah, I can't do that with nobody, man.
Lovely stuff.
My husband. Yeah. Yes, anything is on my one. Jesus Christ. Yeah. That's your fuck. Nobody can do that to me. Oh God, I don't know about that eat me. I love my husband, leave it.
Yeah.
When I met my
the people that I just want to make Queenie happy, you know what I mean? She have everything as she said before, but she just need a man, you know what I mean? And do the other man that will fit her, him share it, so we just have to just love it. If she like it, we love it.
Thank you. But I can't take back the favors, this or that. Once you're famous, you're fucking famous. Okay? So I appreciate you like, but I will done you motherfucker at the same fucking time. Know the blood clot difference. You think if my pin of them fuck with me, I not tell them a blood clot mine. So who blood clot or no? I'm a pin of them, I piss out. And if them fuck with blood clots, me I tell them a blood clot mine. See them like, oh, no, will build me as fat. No, build blood clot me. Support me. Work out the difference and me build my blood clot self. That's a code, Babette. Yvette! Bring the weed. My heart happy. Right, crazies. God knows. Whatever I do, but I get my husband and I fear the way I said, but now I take him back. And how much people, I sure, sweet mama tongue against everything. I choose.
Really sweet.
I have to choose myself over all I know. And I eat that, that's what make me a queen. You understand? Remember don't shame. Remember know her mama. Remember say she know me, you know. When she there, I said no, she say leave my mom alone. Leave her, make she do what she want to do. True. All of them backs, them still are defending. Yeah. Right now, the one of them supposed to blood clot. Because the one said, I said, Jesus Christ, mommy. My business with blood clot them. I'm not business with them for true. They love when I give blood clot them. It's on beat. Hello.
God no. Blood clot will never take the way out of my life. And God do it. God put him down and put me down for 6 months. And that's what I believe. None of them can blood clot going on my mind. If I could have gone on my mind. They mash up my car, they don't mash me up. It's alright.
I will mash up Queenie car, man. I hear that.
They want to hide. From a little bit, I love to be seen, you know. So, no matter what take me, I don't hide. I still have a beautiful smile. Like I love myself for everything. I love myself for the good, the bad, and the ugly, because that's what make life. Life don't just come with girl power positive. Girl power won't not fight me for. A man done blood clot me and this me and run left blood clot me and I forgot ball to cow. I have girl power. No can't beat blood clot me. I'm a bad proud of myself. True. But proud say the whole I sit down and ball over the man. Can't no ball with me for man, you know. And when I sympathize and sitting, and me I not done the blood clot, man. I time now for put that aside. Peace. Me do one side a peep on him and move on a blood clot. We could do it.
Queenie just love what she love, your people. You know what I mean? A whole heap of people have a problem with it, you know, because me looking at the comment section when she do the live here, me I tell her, all able was me see in her comment. Me don't know what kind of vibes able was depend, but me not like able was in the comment section I go out with a bag of things. One of the comment to able was put to him say, yeah, man, him a banana on a match. You know what I'm saying? Here was not really giant the mix up things still. You know what I mean? But the dog in the comment section I go on festive. Yo, we just have to enjoy man and just ride along with the ride. And just know see a queen in that and I do that and Queenie love the way man. If she like it, we love it.
We appreciate your decision because your life is a story. We need to investigate to wake up and real soon do it only manipulate. We manipulate him to move on a blood clot and manipulate for manipulate. Any manipulate, two away and manipulate the one another.
Hey,
two hour murder, 2 hours for manipulate to one another. Move on a blood clot.
Manipulate.
They don't give me a blood clot, man. When I sit down there, come tell me about better man out there. No care you soon experience and judge for me either.
True.
My life different. She no learn, no, me no learn because me have life. What, Bobby? Big up your damn self. Derek come for me. Tell Derek come now. Derek, my friend, if you want to me enemy, I saw life go. Move on a dirty blood clot. My heart plus blood clot tax. Let me make somebody come talk to me. Ask him come back. Him know me, yes, me I do Yamid. I choose to be a Yamid for my husband. That's loyalty. It's not just negative thought, you know. Positive in there, so it may work out for. Queen make them move them blood clots, yeah. I can properly big up your damn self properly. Well, if him eat me and come back, is a good eat. Fried rice and pork. I better go eat some okra soup. Because right now, on the throat now have no space to slide, no. The way on the throat cock up over blood clot, them say ex-husband. Well, if the paper X, the body don't X. The man there. Queenie.
Oh, people, you see that what she has said about ex-husband or whatever. I think me see a little clip with Not Nice or Momo or somebody and two other person I think. Not Nice I say, do it mother, pay must 80 grand or something like that for do it divorce Queenie. And right now the divorce, you know what I mean, in a thing there. And very soon, Queenie, or him a said no, Queenie and Dewey divorce. Queenie just no know yet. But me not think them can do it so. Me not think say you can divorce a person without them knowing and without go through the court system without a person knowing. I think in a Dominican Republic, you see me, you can divorce a person without them knowing, but not Jamaica, not England, and not Canada. You see me I say? But in a Dominican, I don't know if it changed now, but you could have divorced a person in the Dominican Republic without them knowing. So maybe I lie them I tell.
For it. Thank you, baby. That me I talk about. You are married. You have married principle. That me I talk about.
Yeah, wait.
Only for people my work out. Only for them blood clot them out and never married to me. Move on a blood clot. And my husband for true. And me see them over there laugh after me. And I say, what you got them? I have nothing to do with no. I'm a see a man for run up and down for do it. One person can't love marriage, sir. And I don't go just married for opportunity. And I just married for good times, don't. And that in a love marriage for just a good smooth. Yeah, perfect marriage and a love. Why you think worse coming out? Are the worst thing them could have put in a marriage as a vow? For better or for worse?
If anything, tomorrow, yeah, man, cross with this, man. Because this is I want to tell you, son, my dad
Most
tell
people
me to come
married
out
for
there, you know.
opportunity, may I tell you that.
Queenie, I'm not sure
Some of
if
them
you're
for love.
happy because, oh God, baby, when Rachel dead and I live in a life, when I could have stopped my emotion, baby, that's a life go. So if you're not happy in my bad, baby, me never happy when my daughter did, I'm still have to go through. So if you're not happy because I am back with my husband, enough people not happy, you know, but me not busy with the phone and not happy busy. Me can't keep myself unhappy phone.
Yeah.
I'm a husband. Yeah, me nice to husband. Me and him match. I remember I look around with them with me and him. Don't leave me alone, yeah. Move on the blood clot. My class, man saying the blood clot thing cause my mouth bad. Why? I see him for the blood clot, see him. Then that me I talk about? Not this the blood clot. This one come over do this. We never let but do this do that. Me not this one back the blood clot. What? Queenie, I love you so much. Why may I beg you, please leave? You don't beg me leave, do? So you think I love you more than myself, or I love you more than love you more than do it? Sorry, baby. Can't sell out my marriage for you. Sorry. And fella. You understand? And all of my blood clot family that went fix. And I move on a blood clot and no Canadian life when I hide from a gwe. No can't come share my blood clot life on a gwe. All of my generation was saying shoop 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 shoop. Me pretending that you're not bothered. Me not pretending. Me really not bothered. Me not care for truth. And if me care, me don't angle on the son. I eat that. Want to know go, man. Me tired of enough for true, man. More man tomorrow, I wake up to pussy clot and me just do me and not talk about what me for do. You understand?
Pushing.
One queen and I dead. Blood clot. You still a son. I can't believe this. What? Me? Can't believe this either. Me in a shock. Me not forgot live. Don't make me black here. Alive a player, idiot. You cannot deny me of what's happening in the world. I'm supposed to chew blood clots. Me and my husband, I'm supposed to trim back. Move on the blood clot. I go get one man to chew now with the ice. Square!
So, people, as me say, a queenie that, and she a go do a please her or make her happy. You understand? Here all the family them get run away. Because they do have family, enough of them will live even worse life. Them a go and comment on the situation like so chat with other family members. I don't know how family stay. You see me I say? But Queenie do your thing here, man. You love who you love and you can't change that. So people, Kitty show our baby father on live. You see me I say, I don't know if you can make it out with people, but this is the first time she ever show any image of him. I don't know if you can pause it and zoom in, but this is the clip me I go show you now. So this is the clip, my people. So I don't know, maybe we have to go zoom in, pause and zoom in, but we not, she go show it, you know.
Mama show him. Come on, Kitty, so but I go show him for you.
Tall, you see me, that's all me can see. Maybe people who know him can zoom in or whatever and see who him be. But that are the picture with people. Quick, she just put it up quick and just drag it down back. You know what I mean? So, yeah, I know. That they are the man. I am the man who do her bad.
You see him?
Jones, big up yourself.
So we are going to move on with people. You see me? That me did want to show now. So to the Swiss and Ivany thing, you know, my people. See, after they on a 4-way with Ivany. No, I think him on a 2-way, him and the next youth. Then him invite Swiss Sleep on the 2-way. See him? And then the other person, you know, invite Ivany. You see me I say, people, me did watch it. I meanwhile later go on. And when them exit, you know, after Sicily say what him say, and everybody exit, because I don't have the clip of them actually being in the frame, you know what I mean? After them exit, me here at the start say, then he clicking and brain and me I say, hold on. After Ivany and Swiss no deal. You know what I mean? Because when them up on the 4-way, like, them ready to play a 4-way match. You see me I say? And them up on the 3-way, them ready to play a 4-way match. Seeing? Then the youth invite Ivany. But Swiss him did go on with him look at entertainment. Then Sissa say, them forgive him 10 minutes. You see me I say? But you know say Swiss is not a confrontational person. You know what I mean? Him go use him look at slick ways to say whatever. You know what I mean? You know say Swiss now go on the bagger. And Ivany is a person, as me say, where we say one thing now and then after, because enough time I hear Ivany big up Swissly and then this him and say my fish. You know what I mean? So he's a person where do a work for her when she want to do whatever she want to do. So Swissly, I know him I say, yo, give me 10 minutes, me do over here so with my people then me come back to you. You see, then him tell the youth say, Afta said to the youth say, him just come on, so him not have no smoke. You see me I say, and then Swiss say, you can play with Ivany. You see me, that's the first me ever hear him mention her name from them kick off. You see it? So if you ask me if that is a step Swiss take to start friend back Ivany, maybe not. We don't know what the future hold. You see me, then Swiss exit, After exit, and then After have this for say. I'm going to play After have for say.
You see, I bring peace that, oh, you don't know what I go on for TikTok, sorry. Go on. You don't know what I go on.
You don't know what I go on.
You don't know what I go on, that's all. Me rascal. Me figure say Vanya and sister deal.
Me rock up.
But I never me had her.
Motherfuck.
Oh, Jesus.
Are you?
I bring in peace. I'll bring in peace to TikTok. I'll bring in peace. It go well.
See there? Watch out. You can go so.
Rat. Rat, you hold before your blood clot. Rat, take off your blood clot battery off of your rat. Watch rat how keep battery to like a blood clot key. You know when Jamaica never walk with their Mark X key. Watch blood clot rat.
Alright, people. So, like that, you know what I mean? Alright, just so me I go in. Tell me what you think in the comment section. You see me with everything I'm share with you know. So